Hey everybody, it's Jeff from New York, and today we're back in Las Vegas on the northern end of the Las Vegas Strip, although the northern end keeps growing north, so eventually we're going to be here and it'll be the center of the Strip, but anyway, I digress. So we're kind of on the northern end of the Strip. We're going to check out the Palazzo suites as well as the pools here. When I started vlogging here in Las Vegas, I promised myself I wouldn't stay at the same hotel twice until I stayed at, well, just about every hotel on the Strip. But I broke that rule this year. I stayed at the Palazzo once before. I fell in love with it. One of my favorite stays here in Las Vegas. And I got a great deal this year. It was like, I don't know, $1,000. That includes the suite. That includes round trip airfare from the New York area. It includes the resort fee. It was just an amazing deal for this property. So I grabbed it, and here I am again at the Palazzo. It's the first place that I've stayed twice as a vlogger here in Las Vegas. By the way, that $1,000 price was for a Sunday through Friday. Now I'm going to jump right into this tour. We're going to check out the suite first, and then, like I said, we're going to go downstairs, check out the pools. There's about a dozen pools here. It shares the pools with the Venetian, the sister hotel here at the Palazzo. And we'll take things from there, but I just want to show you around the suite first. Then we'll head downstairs and check out the pools. You ready? Here we go. This is Mitzi, the Rubber Ducky Showgirl, who shows up on all my Vegas videos. As most of you know, there are hidden mascots, or some of you call them Easter eggs, in my videos. Mitzi shows up in all the Vegas ones. Sometimes she's easy to spot, other times she's quite elusive, so keep your eyes open while watching the video. If you spot her, note the time in the comments below, and if you're the first one, you'll get a shout out on an upcoming video. Alrighty, we're going to head downstairs now and check out the pool here at the Palazzo. And like I said, there's about a dozen pools down here. We're going to check them all out, and they're shared with the Venetian, the sister hotel here in Las Vegas. The New York channel now has a new feature called Super Thanks. If you're watching this video, just look a little bit below the video, and hopefully normally where you click on that thumbs up, look a little bit to the right and you'll see a new button that says Thanks. Clicking on that thanks button will give you, the viewer, the opportunity to leave a very colorful and noticeable highlighted comment on the video that you're watching, which will be pinned to the top of all other comments. And as my personal thanks to you, you'll receive a one-time animation while you're watching this video above the video, as again, personal thanks from me to you for giving me a super thanks. And of course, super thanks aren't required. They're just a great way to show me and others who are watching these videos how much you like to support the channel. And a shout out to Helena O, who gave me a super thanks on my last video. Thank you so much, Helena. Before we go today, what'd you think of the Palazzo? Leave a comment below. Like I said, it was a sweet deal, so to speak, and I really took advantage of it. They don't come around that often, but if you do your homework, you can get a great deal here at the Palazzo or the Venetian. That being said, this was only a suite and pool tour. I'll give a tour of the entire complex in an upcoming video, so stay tuned to the New York channel. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, comment, ask some questions, and most importantly, subscribe by clicking on the button on the left. You can visit all of my New York videos by clicking on the top right, or check out my videos on other favorite places to visit by clicking on the bottom right. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you around the city.